what I wanted to build for her was an app where she could communicate in her voice, not one of those artificially constructed, digital clipping ones that we sometimes have seen in the past. And luckily, this year, the technology has come out where we can do this. So I was able to find, thank God, a 1-minute interview that she'd done a number of years ago. And apart from her voice message, which was fairly bad quality, that's it. That's all I had. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the interview, at least a small segment of it, so you can hear her voice. And then I'm going to play to you what the AI voice cloning did with that just 1 minute of audio.
I'm Peggy, and I'm a mum of 3 girls. I look after my daughters full time. Most of the time, I'll be helping them do their homework, or they'll be helping me bake. They love baking cookies, they love baking cupcakes, they love baking anything.
Okay, so I took that 1-minute clip and I've used the service 11Labs, which is the leader in AI voice cloning at the moment. So let's have a look and see how this compares.
Hello, Ruby Australia. I hope you are all having an amazing time this week. I'd like to introduce to you my husband, Kane. He has been working very hard on artificial intelligence for the past year. I hope you enjoy his talk today.
Okay, so that's after 1-minute clip. Now, I know, and I noticed, there's a slight British tang. So what I've noticed is that the AI models, they take the Australian accent and they kind of Briticize it a little bit. But if I had more time in terms of audio, the AI would handle that. Now, luckily, that interview that she did a number of years ago, I've spoken with the crew. They've got the original recordings, which has got about an hour of recording. So 11Labs has a professional cloning service where you can send larger amounts, and that will do a whole training of the AI, spend months and get it to, well, I think if that's a minute, what they're going to do with an hour and tons of training is going to be quite impressive, I'd say. So I'm looking forward to that. But my view of the fact was that when life gives you lemons, make an app. So that's been my philosophy on this one.